ಮೆಟ್ರೋನು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್
Photos.
what? Click every picture from the back of the woman and post it on Metro Chicks?
See the photographs, Lord, 28,
Nonsense.
27. Lord,
ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು women ನ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Lord,
You don't leave women to be safe
cameras are-
anywhere.
Lord, CCTV. Lord. The Metro.
Metro Chicks.
Where, Lord,
What do you do, sir?
CCTV.
What CCTV? Metro you
Lord, the
take the
photographs
pictures of women from the backside and post them on that Metro Chicks site? What nonsense is this?
Lord, the photos.
How
Lord,
can you
what-
do it? ಮೆಟ್ರೋನು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್
Lord, photos.
what? Click every picture from the back of the woman and post it on Metro Chicks?
See the photographs, Lord, 28,
Nonsense.
27. Nothing is there.
What nothing is there?
Photographs, Lord, that doesn't speak that obscene photos are.
So,
posted.
why did you click, sir? Why did you click?
Photos.
And Instagram page Metro Chicks.
Lord,
ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು women ನ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Lord,
You don't leave women to be safe
cameras are-
anywhere.
Lord, CCTV cameras.
What
are
CCTV
installed.
camera is there?
CCTV cameras are there. Lord.
And Insta page ಬೇರೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ reels Metro Chicks.
Lord, the very investigating officer.
What
Lord,
investigating?
He is the complainant.
No amount of technicality, sir, I will permit such things to happen. Technicality cannot override such acts of yours. Time has come that we should stop on technicality in certain things.
No offense is made.
What? No offense.
Please.
Clicking the woman from back and posting it in
CCTV
Metro Chicks
Lord,
is not an offense?
Lord, throughout CCTVs are
Oh, no,
installed.
sir.
He has
nothing.
not committed in.
Thanks.
Lord,
Oh, who has not committed?
he has not, the petitioner
Yes.
has not committed.
Dismissed. Next. 106. Same as 102.
107.
710. Yes.
107, my lord, KP Act proceedings, page number.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಲಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ನೇಮ್. ಹಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಕರಿ.
No, my lord, no, my lord.
ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬೇಕರಿ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಮಟ್ಕ.
No, my lord, that is not the case.
ಆ,
No, your lordship may kindly take.
ಈ
my lord,
ಲಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ.
Page number 19, charge sheet column number 17
Yes,
clear
sir.
ಆಗಿದೆ madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam.
My lord,
I don't forget names, sir.
Lord, he was only implicated based on the confession and statement.
No
of accused
problem.
number one.
ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಹಲಿಮಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ has come in other cases. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ
Not
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್.
aware of that case.
You are not aware, sir. I am aware. I told you I don't forget.
My lord, in this case, my lord,
Month ago, there are 3 cases of this Leo Carnello. He runs a bakery, correct?
my lord, as per this charge sheet, my lord, he doesn't run any bakery. My lord, it's completely covered by my lord's judgment.
I correct, sir. No, no.
My lord, only based on the confession and statement, my lord, he has been
One
implicated.
HCGP 2 emergent notice list on 4 complainant new advice. 2 HCGP accepts notice for the respondent list on 4th. Next.
My lord, apart from that, my lord, there is no materials in the charge sheet, my lord, to implicate the present petitioner.
No problem, sir. We'll see. Yes. Next.
108.
Binu.
ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
60 115. ಶಿವಶಂಕರ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಯಾರು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ? ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ,
Correct, 115.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ.
115 sorry false promise to marry my lord. There is a delay in filing the complaint.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ incident occurred on 22/4/2025 my lord. But my lord, FIR has been registered on 1/8/2025 my lord. False promise to marry my lord. But my lord, since 2 years back my lord, they are well known. Through
Page number 34
Snapchat.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ details ಆಗಿದೆ my lord.
ಹಾ?
Page number 34 my lord.
ಏನಿದೆ?
Number 17 my lord.
ಏನಿದೆ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2022/4/2025.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Snapchat ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ.
In the meantime, yes.
Please, ma'am.